Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's start by opening Instagram. Here, tap into your profile. Tap on this third bar icon. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Go to Help. Again, tap Help Center. Here, search for Delete Account Temporarily. You will see this first option of deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Tap it. So this is Android App Help. If you are using iOS device, tap on iPhone App Help. Scroll down. So this is the first option, but second option is really convenient. So I'm going to move it to second option. So to temporarily deactivate your account from your Instagram app, log into instagram.com. This will direct you to a web browser. Now you are using Instagram through web browser. Tap onto your profile, tap Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Temporarily Deactivate My Account. Select your reason. Give any reason you want, and once you're done, enter your password. Tap on Temporarily Deactivate Account and your account will be deactivated. Also note that you can only deactivate your account once a week. And then you are good to go. And this is all for today. If this video was helpful, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.